Winning Heart is not a training program, it's not a coaching program, it's an installation program. Winning Heart is personal evolution for leadership. Winning Heart makes leadership capabilities in you innate. Winning Heart is something that, what no other program does, but Winning Heart does, is it shatters the leadership lids, is where everybody comes with certain level of where they can get to in their leadership, and it's like a ceiling. And it takes a lifetime for them to just be able to hit that ceiling. And there's almost little or no evidence of people having gone over and above the ceiling. But with excellence installations, the installation program that Winning Heart is, we've done layers of this, we've done arcs of this across various programs, and this time we've put it all together specifically to shatter these leadership lids that evolve and identify some of those invisible speed breakers that creates those kind of ceilings. And this is natural, this people come like that. But to be able to evolve past that requires installations. It requires very, very high quality, high precision, predictive intelligence to recognize what is the underlying pattern and to be able to shift it. And Antano and I are going to be doing installations to make these precise shifts happen for you. These 3 days are going to give you precisely those installations that will make the next part of your life more impactful than you imagined it could be. Winning Heart, advanced leadership and conversational programming for legendary impact.